Have you always dreamed of moving to Europe, but thought you needed to learn German, French, or Dutch first? What if I told you there's one European country where more than 90% of the population speaks English? Companies are actively hiring skilled foreign workers. Salaries are among the highest in Europe, and employers can even sponsor your work visa. The best part? If you qualify, your employer handles most of the immigration process for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find companies that legally sponsor work visas, the best websites to apply from India or anywhere in the world, the exact step-by-step process to get a Netherlands work visa in 2026, and a little-known tax benefit that could save you thousands of euros every year. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also show you how to avoid the biggest mistake that causes thousands of international applicants to get rejected before they even receive an interview. Why the Netherlands is becoming one of Europe's best immigration destinations. When people think about moving to Europe, they usually consider countries like Germany, France, or Ireland. But the Netherlands has quietly become one of the most attractive destinations for skilled professionals. Here's why. First, English is spoken almost everywhere. Whether you're working in technology, engineering, finance, logistics, healthcare, or multinational companies, English is often the primary language used in the workplace. Second, Dutch employers are experiencing shortages of skilled professionals across multiple industries. This means many companies are actively recruiting international talent. Third, salaries in the Netherlands are among the highest in Europe, while employees also enjoy excellent work-life balance, generous vacation policies, strong labor protections, and one of the world's best public transportation systems. And finally, the immigration process is surprisingly straightforward, provided you understand how it actually works. Before you start applying for jobs, you need to understand one important concept: visa sponsorship. Many people assume that every company in the Netherlands can hire international workers. That isn't true. Only companies officially recognized by the Dutch Immigration and Naturalization Service, IND, can sponsor a highly skilled migrant visa. This is extremely important. Imagine spending weeks applying to companies that legally cannot sponsor your visa. That's why your very first step should always be checking whether the employer is an official recognized sponsor. Fortunately, the Dutch government publishes a public list containing thousands of approved sponsoring employers. If your target company appears on that list, you're already moving in the right direction. This simple step alone can save you months of wasted applications. Now let's look at some of the biggest companies expected to continue hiring international talent. If you work in technology or engineering, companies such as ASML, Booking.com, Uber, and Databricks regularly recruit skilled professionals from around the world. If your background is in finance or quantitative trading, you should also explore opportunities with companies like Optiver, Flow Traders, IMC Trading. For manufacturing, logistics, and consumer goods, companies including Philips, Unilever also recruit skilled professionals internationally depending on their hiring needs. Remember, don't apply just because you've heard the company sponsors visas. Always verify that the company appears on the official sponsor list. Targeted applications almost always perform better than sending hundreds of random resumes. Where do you actually find these jobs? Many Dutch websites advertise positions only in Dutch. So instead of wasting time translating every page, focus on English-friendly job portals. Some of the best places to search include LinkedIn, Indeed Netherlands, Glassdoor, IMExpat Jobs, and Together Abroad. These platforms frequently list English-speaking vacancies, and many also mention whether visa sponsorship is available. Here's a powerful tip that most applicants don't use. Create a LinkedIn job alert using keywords like visa sponsorship, highly skilled migrant, English speaking, international applicants. This way, every new matching vacancy arrives directly in your inbox without you having to search every day. It's a simple strategy, but it can help you apply before thousands of other candidates. Now let's go through the complete immigration process. Step 1, secure a job offer. Everything starts with getting hired by a recognized sponsor. During your interview, don't hesitate to ask whether the company sponsors the highly skilled migrant visa. If they don't, unfortunately, they won't be able to employ you under this pathway. Step 2. Meet the salary requirement. The highly skilled migrant visa has minimum salary requirements. The required salary depends on factors such as your age and immigration category. If you're under 30, the minimum salary threshold is lower than for applicants age 30 or above. The important thing to remember is that your offered salary must meet the required threshold for your category. Step 3. Employer submits your visa application. Once you accept the job offer, your employer usually prepares and submits the visa application to the IND on your behalf. In many cases, approval can arrive within just a few weeks, assuming all documents are complete. Compared to many other countries, this process is remarkably efficient. Step 4. Collect your entry visa. After approval, you'll visit the Dutch Embassy or Visa Application Center in your home country. Once your passport and entry documents are ready, you're officially cleared to travel to the Netherlands. Step 5. Complete your arrival formalities. Once you arrive, there are several important tasks you should complete as soon as possible. These include registering with your local municipality, obtaining your BSN, Citizen Service Number, collecting your residence permit, opening a Dutch bank account, arranging mandatory health insurance. Completing these steps quickly will make settling into your new life much easier. The 30% tax ruling, one of the biggest financial benefits now. Here's something many people don't know. The Netherlands offers a tax advantage called the 30% ruling for certain eligible employees recruited from abroad. If you qualify, a portion of your salary may receive favorable tax treatment for a limited period, significantly increasing your take-home pay compared with someone earning the same gross salary without the benefit. Eligibility rules can change, so it's important to confirm the latest requirements with your employer or official Dutch guidance. For many skilled migrants, this benefit can make relocating to the Netherlands far more financially attractive. Getting a work visa starts long before you submit your application. Here are a few things that can dramatically improve your chances. First, create a professional European-style CV. Your resume should clearly highlight work experience, technical skills, certifications, professional achievements, LinkedIn profile, languages, measurable results. You can reach out to us and we'll create your CV for you. Second, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Recruiters actively search LinkedIn for international candidates. Use a professional photo, complete every section, and enable the Open to Work feature if appropriate. Third, prepare thoroughly for interviews. Dutch employers often assess technical expertise, communication skills, teamwork, problem-solving ability, adaptability. If you can demonstrate these qualities with real examples from your career, you'll stand out from many other applicants. One of the biggest questions people ask is, do I need to speak Dutch to get a job? The answer is, not always. Many multinational companies operate entirely in English. This is especially true in sectors such as IT, software development, engineering, finance, data science, artificial intelligence, research, international business. Learning Dutch will help with daily life and can expand your career options over time, but for many roles, English is sufficient. Before you apply, avoid these common mistakes. Many people apply to companies that aren't recognized sponsors. Send the same CV to hundreds of employers. Ignore the job description. Fail to tailor their resume. Apply for positions they don't actually qualify for. Instead, research the company. Customize every application. Highlight the experience most relevant to the role. Quality applications consistently outperform quantity. If you've been waiting for the right opportunity to move to Europe, 2026 could be your year. The Netherlands continues to attract skilled professionals from around the world because of its excellent salaries, strong economy, English-friendly workplaces, outstanding quality of life, and structured immigration pathway for eligible workers. Comment Netherlands below this video. and I'll send you the complete guide with visa sponsorship companies, job portals, application tips, CV guidance, and much more. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest immigration opportunities from around the world. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.